Hi, my name's Dan Riddle. I'm the captain here at the Los Altos Fire Station here on Engine 75. We are one of the 2 stations here in Los Altos that cover the city. We're going to be your downtown fire station. Our coverage area lies in between El Camino Real and Foothill Expressway, along with the Palo Alto border to about El Monte Avenue. We respond to all different types of emergencies, mainly consisting of medical calls, along with vehicle accidents. We also house a Type 6 off-road fire engine that we respond to both vegetation fires and off-road incidents. Our main engine that we respond on is Engine 75. We have a paramedic who is with us 24/7 and can provide all the medical care of an ambulance aside from driving to the hospital. So today we have a probationary firefighter working with here on Engine 75. With our new employees, we like to make sure we practice and get drills in every day. So we're going to pull a pre-connected hose line today. We're going to have our firefighter put on all of his personal protective equipment, pull the hose line, put his SCBA on, which is his self-contained breathing apparatus, and then we're going to flow a little water. Thanks for visiting Los Altos Fire Station. If you have any questions, please stop by and we're happy to help.